profits in goat farming always come from the offsprings. But as a goat farmers, we already know the challenges involved in getting that, because like there are some farmers outside there who are not getting the offsprings. So in return, they are not making money. So as a farmers, you really know that like making your goat conceive is another one solved problem. So secondly, after all your goats have conceived, make sure that you handle them carefully so that like what they deliver safely. So that is the second thing. Then the third one is the most challenging one, raising the kid and so that they reach maturity without any problem, because like most of the time we tend to sell like mature goods, right? Yeah, so like make sure like you have to handle them very careful, starting from like the time they are born until like they reach that market weight. So uh as a farmer, you really know that like when your mothers give birth, you will be faced with some challenges like one or two, because like there's some mothers who give birth and then you find like they have little or no milk to feed their kids with. So in that scenarios, like that's what we're going to try to do right now. As you can see in the video, like I have one goat that's giving birth, but like there's no milk. Yeah, like the other is there, but like yeah, like the milk is not really there, but it has given birth to two. So in that scenario, like you don't want to lose those kids. So what you're going to do is like we are trying to supplement those kids with some additional milk, like from the cow, and sometimes even like I buy this refined milk, so that like yeah, we supplement them, because you really know that like where it is really hard like to see like a kid die, like you're waiting for like 5 good months. Like it is not easy. Like those are the profits. Like you need to protect your profits at all costs. So like yeah, we are supplementing, and yeah, they're picking up very well. So make sure you subscribe and like the video. Yeah,